Pythagoras was the first person to use the term harmony of the spheres. It was a musical and numerical explanation of the universe. A discovery made by Pythagoras himself revealed that numerical ratios determine the concordant intervals of scale. Harmonia is a key word in Pythagorean philosophy, primarily meaning the joining together of things as one. For Pythagoras and his disciples, the word harmonia meant octave, in the sense of an attunement. Pythagoras proved that whatever can be said of one octave can be said of all octaves. The ancient Greeks had a profound understanding of balance and proportion. The Greek genius in history, thought, and art represented a clear understanding of ratio, the proportion of things both in and of themselves and as it relates to the whole. Numbers were responsible for harmony, the divine principle that governs the structure of everything. For Pythagoreans, number had a mystical significance and an independent reality, much different than mathematicians today. The most remarkable feature of the Pythagorean cosmology is that it displaced the Earth from the center of the universe and made it into a planet revolving in an orbit like the other planets. This idea was unparalleled in pre-Platonic thought. Even Plato could not embrace this notion. As a part of the Pythagorean cosmology is their extraordinary theory of harmony of the spheres, which is rekindled in later generations in the ancient world as well as the Renaissance, as it is again today. It is generally accepted by scholars that Pythagoras himself was the first to formulate that concept, which reflects the whole cosmic plan and showed an intimate connection between the laws of mathematics and music. According to Pythagoreans, the whole universe is constructed according to a musical scale. They believe that the distance between the bodies revolving around the central sun are mathematically proportionate. Some move faster, some slower. The sound made by the slower bodies is lower in pitch and the faster ones higher, hence the separation of notes, corresponding to the ratios of distance, make the resultant sound concordant. Number, they said, is the source of this harmony, and so they naturally view number as the principle on which the whole universe depends. The most passionate lifelong study of the music of the spheres was exhibited by Johannes Kepler in 1571 to 1630. Due to his obsession with the Pythagorean solids, the root archetypes for all sacred geometry, and the templates for all phenomena, including sound, astronomical movements, atomic probability, even consciousness, Kepler was able to solve both the laws that govern the planetary distances and their velocities.